How to fix Instagram emojis not working, not showing or missing. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix your Instagram if your emoji is not showing up or missing. First thing you want to do is go to your Play Store and make sure the app is up to date. Now you can see that I'm already onto my Play Store, and here if your app is not up to date, you'll find an update button instead of this open button that you can see on the screen. Now tap on update and your Instagram will be updated to the latest version of the app. Now once you have done, the app will install itself and the open option will be available. Tap on open, and once you open it, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can find on the bottom right hand side of your screen. Here now tap on the three-line icon that you can find on the top right of your screen, and here go to settings. Now once you head over to settings, you can find the help option below. Tap on help and here go to report a problem. Now here you can either include and continue or don't include and continue. Now you can just type here or explain your problem. I'll just write emoji is not working and send it. Now once you do this, Instagram will get back to you in no time. Hope this video was useful to you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.